Okay, everyone. So in today's video, in part 3, I got I don't know if you can see here, 2 more parts. This and a black glove box. Both are gonna from a 20 I believe it's 2013 Si. Yeah, 2013 Honda Civic Si. So, gonna be changing these out today. Hopefully, like I said, they should fit. I mean, there shouldn't be anything wrong with that. So, the first thing, obviously, I'm gonna have to get out the glove box out of the way. Do that. There should be some screws over here that I'm gonna have to, take out. And then, this should just want to drop out. And this should be the easiest part. And then, I'm hoping not to have too much difficulty removing this trim piece either. So, what do I do with my screwdriver? Oh, it's on my lap. So, if you look right here, there's a hinge. And that's where the screw is. Getting to it seems to be another job. All right, now, man. Okay. Loosen that one up. And then while I still have that one tight, there should be also one right here. Okay. And then as I'm unscrewing it, you can see that's what it's going to look like. You could probably put a hex on that as well. You know, or a socket or whatever, but I'm just going to unscrew them out. So, put them in a nice safe spot so I don't lose them. Okay. And this should just almost want to fall out. And then press this in. And boom. Okay. And that is my old glove box. So, yeah, like I was saying, it sits on these 2 hinges. And that's pretty much it. So we're just going to put that to the side for now. Because now, with that out of the way, I can work on this next part. So, from what I can tell, clips here, and just goes around here. I was going to say I might need pry tools, but that was easy. Man, when I have that glove box, this thing wants to just come right out. I may have to remove the radio. I was hoping I wouldn't have to. Well, let's try a pry tool first. Feel like it's gonna, if we even look at this, right? I'm gonna go all the way down there. So, I mean, if you're looking at it this way, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 7 clips holding this in total. Yeah, this part right here, and there's a screw. Okay, I didn't see that. All right. So yeah, unfortunately, I have to pop the radio out. All right, was not anticipating that. Tell me I have my keys on me. Okay, give me 1 second while I get situated, because unfortunately I did not know they were gonna make me pop the radio. So in order to do that, there's 2 screws here. I'll take those out, pull this out, but I'll get to all that in a minute. But yeah, unfortunately you have to remove the radio to finish removing this trim piece. So I'll be right back. Okay, so got the radio out, and then you can see that screw there. Sorry, right there. Let's see if I could get you guys in to see that. That's what's holding it in. So once you get the radio out, I don't even think you have to pull it off. I did, but yeah, you don't even, it looks like you might not even have to. Yeah, you don't even have to. So this could actually, you just have to pull off the first 2 parts. So put you guys down for a second. I'll get this resituated. Okay. When in doubt. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay. Really, you're gonna be awful? All right. Okay. A little bit more. Nice, didn't drop it at all. Okay. And now, the rest of this just want to come out. May have to prop the radio up a little bit because it seems like there's an edge there. Alright. Whew. It's requiring a lot more force than I wanted to. Alright. Ooh, alright. So. Okay, so it's best to pull from the bottom here out, and then you can get that all out. Okay. Now, this next one back in place. So we're gonna want that to go in like that. Like that. see what part's not lining up. So there's a little, this clip has to go down there, and that's where I'm struggling right now, because it just doesn't want to line up and go in. Good. So the clip finally rested in there. Okay. Whew. That fought me a lot. Okay. Okay. So I can put that screw back. Everything fits nice and tight. Now, how I did this before was I just slid that out like that. But first things first, we gotta put these screws back in the radio. What do I do with my screwdriver? Now, just because I know the other piece is going to fit, we're going to move to the glove box. So, like I said, you have these things, these little latches here. They got these little tabs on them, so I'm assuming there's some kind of an alignment tab to prevent you from okay. And then other one. Okay, so I cut it just because my HDMI cable that I have running to my deck was sort of wedged in there, so I had to, it was causing me a fitment issue with this, so I had to pop all this open, reroute it back, and then back forth, and then it was fine. Other than that, everything fits, everything's good. I'll clean this up in a little bit with some like armor or something. I mean, there are some scratches on it. This is from eBay and it's used. It's off of a used car that was totaled. So, you know, it's not perfect, but if you want to go to Honda or Honda Parts Now or, you know, anything like that, you're going to spend a lot of money, hundreds of dollars to get these parts new. I would rather just get them off eBay. You get them cheaper, and I think I spent, I want to say 30 on this part. Not even. I think this part was like 25, and I think I got this for like 60, and it works. And it works great, and if I pull that, it drops down like it's supposed to. I put it back up, it goes up, and it works great. So no complaints there. Like I said, I'll try to get some of these scuffs and things like that out of it, but other than that, yeah, you could definitely take parts from a Honda Civic Si. So far, I found out these parts are definitely interchangeable, and you can change them out, and I'm going to continue to do that till I'm all finished to black out this interior. If you like this video, hit that like button. Definitely hit the subscribe button. Helps out a lot, and I will see everyone in the next video, okay? Take care.